Yeah, the recording has been started. Please
Okay.
introduce yourself.
So, hey Akhil, this is Aditya Pramanik, and I'm a student of information technology, and I'm currently pursuing the same from ITGGB, which is in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh.
Yeah,
So,
I am Akhil and I am from CSE. And please copy all the details from Aditya Pramanik like college and course names.
Hi,
Hello,
Akhil. Hi,
every
Adi.
hi.
hello. Okay, okay. Sorry. Hello, everyone. This is Alok, and my academic
Uh,
credentials you can copy from Akhil and Adi,
Yeah,
and
yes.
some more stuff you can also call me Chalo Koina. That's my nickname. And
yeah. We will mention the in your Instagram handle.
okay, okay.
Hello, hello. Myself, Anubhav Gupta from ITGGV.
Okay. So we have
And
inherited
yeah,
each other's college class, and we will start today's session with a pretty much interesting topic.
Okay.
Everyone does that. Everyone practices it. Some does it more, some does it less. And the topic is like sleep. Then how we perceive sleep. What is the views regarding sleep? Everyone has some views in every point. Then let's start from how we perceive sleep. That what is how much sleep is important for us, and then biological, non-biological, and our personal sleep. Then
anything which is coming up to your mind.
let's get going by descending order. Like we will inverse the array. We'll start from Anubhav, then Alok, then Aditya, then me.
Yeah, sure. Let me just turn on the timer
Yeah,
so that it will be concise, right? Okay, just three, two, one, go. Okay.
Yeah. So, firstly, I want to share my routine of sleeping. Firstly,
yeah,
uh, so I have two things. Like when I woke up,
So,
uh, whe- when I woke up when I woke up at 5 a.m. in morning, then I tried to not to sleep in noon because I already take my sleeping cycle more than 7 hours, so I don't want to increase my sleeping cycle because that's affect my target which I decided to perform
yeah,
yesterday. But when I woke up at 10 a.m., then when when I woke up at 10 a.m., I tried I tried to do things. Tried to do things completely, which like targets which I have decided yesterday, but
okay,
I can't complete it because of lack of time.
yeah,
Yeah, so I prefer to woke up in the early morning rather than afternoon, so that so that we can do the task which we are decided yesterday and perform it in good manner
yeah. You
with
are a early bird
positivity.
person.
mm,
Yeah,
Yeah,
basically,
morning person.
one person. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, please continue with that. That will be great for you. Like there is
yeah.
a
Okay.
routine decided for each person. Like some are morning person, some are evening person.
Night owls.
Yeah, night owls.
No problem. So this is your routine, right? And how do you perceive sleep? Like
Yeah, the,
exactly the question was like, how do you perceive sleep?
uh, like when I went for sleep or when I woke up at in the morning, right? You want to ask
no, no.
this?
We are. Like, it's a strange question to ask. Like it could be a number of answers. Like how much sleep is important for you? And how much? How do you think sleep as? Like if you want to do some analogy, if you want to give some analogy of sleep, then you can give that also.
Okay, okay. I think you want to ask the importance of sleeping.
For you,
Yeah,
definitely. How do you pursue your in your life? Like if you put your sleep above your food, above your anything. Like I'm
Yeah,
asking about that.
I got your point. I got your
Yeah,
okay.
point.
Basically, anything that is coming into your mind just
yeah.
when we
Just
say
speak it
sleep.
out. Yeah,
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 yeah.
just when we say sleep, just
I
anything.
I think sleeping is a mandatory thing for us, for all of us, because if we can't complete our sleeping cycle, like when I'm sleeping for when I was sleeping for 4 hours, then my mind feel heavier, and which most of the things which I can do it in 30 minutes, but at that time it takes 1 hour, 1.5 hours, like. So I think every person need to complete at least 6 to 7 hours sleeping cycle for performing your mind better, for performing any things in better way,
Yeah.
because after complete sleeping cycle, your mind will active and do it in relaxed way, so you can perform it very well. Every task which you take 1 hour in, when you never take your sleeps sorry, when you never take your sleep in proper manner, but when you take sleep in prop, proper manner, you can do it very well and in good manner and within a time limit also.
I would
So
like
I
to
think,
ask you one question regarding sleep like that. Have you
yeah.
ever felt like it's hard to sleep? Like you just wake up and you start doing stuff. Like there's a horrific time when your mind moves on such it's like you just can't sleep. Think. You just wake up like what I'm doing, I'm sleeping. I have to wake up. Like you don't wake up at morning, but you wake up at the time when you sleep.
Can you, Akhil, can you reframe your question, because your mic sometimes off,
Okay, let's
I
get to
think.
the question after discussing the before. Let's discuss the question after that.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah, passing on mic to Anu.
Okay. So that was the question, that how we pursue our sleeping cycle,
Yeah, that
like.
how we do sleep and how we perceive sleep as a thing, like how much importance we give it, and what are the problems we face for sleep. Those
Okay,
things.
okay, okay. So let me add some more dimensions to this topic.
Yeah,
So
Yeah, sure, sure.
likewise, we are discussing about about routines, that how we sleep and how we wake up, and what time we sleep, night owls and early morning.
yeah,
That stuff we have discussed. So one more dimension that I want to add. It's totally fine that you are a night owl or you are an early morning rise up wake up, early morning
Right.
murga, that you can say. uh, that's totally fine. It's all about your how you are sleeping and how you are doing well. Okay, when you find productive, that's all your wish.
yeah,
So just yeah, someone has told that sleeping deprived, when you sleep less, when you
yeah,
sleep, so your efficiency affects and
yeah. It
productivity
gets
affects a
reduced.
lot.
Yeah,
Okay, so that's one more dimension, that is about the spiritual and yogic dimension to this sleeping cycle is, uh, have you heard about Shavasana and Yog Nidra?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We have heard
we
that.
have, we have, we have.
Okay, so for this audience is for let me introduce this topic to the audience. Okay, so there is one kriya, or we can say one practice that we do in yoga about to relax the whole body, to relax the every we can say each and every muscle that we use to relax during sleep, our sleep cycle. In that kriya, in that position, in that practice, we used to do that, the whole relaxing process that we used to do in the 6 hour sleep, in just we can say 15 minutes.
That's great.
uh,
That's
uh,
great.
you can also practice in YouTube. It's easily available, of you can say Art of Living is has provided it
The
of free.
guided sleep things like meditation like
Guided.
things.
Yeah. And just if you are taking my suggestion, just do it for 15 minutes. It's we have also we can provide it in description.
Yeah, we can do anything,
Okay. So
everything. Sorry.
okay. So if someone wants, we can put that link in the description. You can just go for either you are comfortable with Hindi or English. Just tried it once. I should suggest that you should try it at evening only. uh, in morning it's totally fine. Just try it once. You will feel like I you will I don't think you have felt that much of relaxation that whole 15 minute cycle can give you.
Yeah.
Right.
That's one, I think, one of the more yogic aspect of sleeping, that how yogis used to sleep and how they uh,
Stay
what we
awake
can
for
say,
longer hours, you know, like
yeah, stay active for and concentrate that energies for
yeah.
more period of time.
Yeah, that I this thing regarding this thing, I would say like I have listened from my elders, like my great grandfathers, like sleep before sleeping, but like you do that thing like practicing that you focus your brain on the thumbs and their fingers, like you are numbing your body actually, like you are
Yeah.
relaxing the nerves and muscles. Those will help to reduce your sleep quota. Those things, practicing those things will not be in a day, like you will not you can't sleep like numb, my whole body gets numbed in a one day, it will take time, but
Yeah.
I think that those things will get in a practice. And similar things, like we will from today, like we will follow that 15 minute session Ali
Yeah, me
told us,
also.
we will
Yeah.
try to do that, and we will review this thing after 1 week.
Sure,
That
sure.
will be great, like help making people aware from our experiences.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
And one more point, that this COVID is going on, so practice and focus more on breathing practice.
Okay. Yeah.
That's more important. The
Right.
Like
yoga is all about breathing. How you do every each and every step, there is a breathing step involved in it.
yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
feel more relaxed to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So that was by Anubhav and Alok. So Akhil, what do you think about sleep? Like, how do
you
you
go
sleep?
first, or I will go
No, no,
first.
no. We are going like anti-clockwise, right? So you have to go
Yeah.
Yeah.
first.
So my perseverance towards sleep is like sleep is the one of the most beautiful things in the world. The God has created. Like it takes us in another dimension. Like
You are
you
you are just like taking my points. You can't do that.
how could I not that
Okay. Okay.
for
Okay.
me sleeping I am not so much real guy, like people think that we in real world we these things, but I'm much more
You
like
are
a
you
thought
are
guy.
just taking all my points.
Like
What I want to. Okay. I want to be the first. I was taking. even,
No, bro.
even,
Don't break
even
the protocols.
No,
Yeah.
no, no, no. Even I was thinking the same. Like sleeping is something like it transports us to different multidimensional thing.
Yeah.
It's a portal.
And
It's a portal.
I totally live for that. Yeah, like these things are sleep for me, and that would be a reality, I would say.
Astral projection.
Yeah, those things are real if you believe in those. Like your life is completely governed by the beliefs you have. Like sorry
Yeah, we
for
have.
if I'm going a little bit off towards topic, but this is the
That's
time, like
completely fine.
it's 1 a.m. guys, and what you think that I have been talking about LinkedIn and those internship stuff, that those are sets. Like those things will pass on after 10 years, you will not remember those stuff.
No, no, no.
And we are just discussing Aditi and me that LinkedIn is a new Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It has totally converted into
Aditya,
Facebook.
please,
Yeah.
please add your points, and then I will add my points on sleep, that you are
No,
saying
no,
that
no,
I
no,
have.
so no, 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 no. Oh,
No, no,
it's
no,
all
no,
right.
no, no.
It's all right. You go first.
Okay, that
I'm
we are
fine by it. I'm
saying
fine by
about
it.
things like visualization and thinking like stuff. Yeah, okay, it's I'm struggling with waking up. Like people say that they are struggling with sleeping. I struggling with waking up, and I do wake up. And if I am I just play game while I wake up. Like I will wake up after 5 minutes. It's not like I need 5 minutes sleep. I challenge myself. I will wake up after 5 minutes, and I see some dreams in that. And I struggle with a person like alarm is a person like me that कौन पहले उठता है. Like you will wake me up or I will stop you first. And
Yeah.
yeah, those things go in my mind when I wake up. And everyone does that. That completing the dream. That let's complete this dream and then we will wake up, then those dreams get. And have you guys do you guys control your dreams, like you do things in your dream of your own will?
Yeah, right, right, right. I have experienced
Yeah.
this thing.
If you do those things, then you like I have read it somewhere, like gamers do that. and I do play games like
Yeah, actually, we see ourselves as a first person
yeah,
perspective, and just we
yeah,
do
do
things
that
first or third
things
person.
like
Yeah.
controlling dreams is start practicing that subconscious will arisen on your
In fact,
like
Yeah.
some of the times I even like somehow I paused the dream and went for a
yeah,
like
yeah, you
washroom or
go that
something, and
Inception
after that,
movie. Yeah,
yeah,
we are
and
talking
after
that.
that, and after that, I'm trying to just recollect thing. What was the
I
dream? Just
I
try,
also
just
me
trying
also
hard to
Those things
just
are
trying hard to get the
amazing.
same dream again and just
Yeah, yeah,
be at the same place
those
again.
things are amazing. I really think that how the dreams and all that stuffs come on,
Yeah.
like and one more thing about sleep is like I need more sleep than a regular person. I think that I sleep way more. I worship sleep way
Okay,
much
you have
more
just
than
one
things.
minute, right?
Like
After that, I'm going to
yeah,
have all 5 minutes.
I skip things like I skip things for sleep. That's a very much bad part for me, and I struggle for that.
MIS class, like MIS class.
No, I don't sleep in between class, man. If I will want to sleep, I will switch off that phone and I will don't do that things, man. I sleep. So I don't know what I'm saying. That Aditya has interrupted me like, yeah, I was going in the right
No, no,
path.
no.
Please,
You
Aditya,
are just
complete. No.
no, no,
You
no,
have
no, no.
interrupted me. Please stop. Please start your things, man.
Okay. So how I perceive sleep is like it's completely take us to a different dimension, right? Like if you are a believer of multi-dimensional and multiverse thing, so you can just relate with me. Like it completely transfers us to different dimension or a different universe where we act as ourselves from that universe in our dream or something like that. And there's I think it something like an escape from real world, like what,
Yeah, it's a
like
great.
yeah, it's an escape. Like we almost spend most of our time something somewhere around what 8 minus 20 16 hours or something like that in the real world, what we see, what we sense,
Yeah, you
or
can
what we
say that
touch.
it's real or fake. You can't say it.
Yeah, we can't say it, just whatever the world that you sense, like that you see or you can touch or smell, anything like that. And after that in that when you just fall asleep, you completely lose yourself. Like the happens to you is the only sense you are you have only one sense after sleeping, right? That is your brain, your subconscious mind, and nothing else. You lose your touch sense, you lose your seeing sense, your smelling sense, and what you have is just your brain. And whatever like in your dreams you might have used your hand to fly or something like that, some
Yeah,
yeah, weird things, right? It's completely different. Like things doesn't work same as you perceive everything in your real world. Like if we consider this world as real world, so it doesn't work like that in dreams, right? So I completely think that it completely transfers us to a new dimension or new multiverse thing. That is basically what I think about sleep.
yeah,
Yeah, of course, there is some biological and the things that we got to know about the biology period, that it relaxes our body, it heals us,
yeah. Sleeping
both
is that.
mentally and physically. Like if a person is like awakened for 24 hours, and he's having some injury, right, in his feet or somewhere in the head, then it will not recover in it will be recover in slower rate than if you are sleep. If you are sleeping for 24 hours, then
Yeah,
it
yeah,
might recover in faster way, right?
yeah.
So that's how I basically see
Yeah,
sleep.
and for every, I think for most of my thoughts and my diseases and pain, I prefer sleep over sleep. Like let's so जाते कसम नहीं हो जाए. Those are the thoughts when I sleep. Like tomorrow everything will be fine, and sleep just gives you one like escape route or a machine that lets your things get fixed. Like you get a new perseverance tomorrow, you get new chances. Like sleep is the thing which gives you more chances, like anyone
Yeah.
else. Like you get the same motivation after one day. Like when you wake up, you are the real warrior. Like you will win the whole earth if you will get one spear
Yeah.
thing and one sword of Suleiman. Like those things are such amazing regarding sleep. And let's discuss about people who are facing like before sleeping things like they don't get sleep properly, that they can't sleep, just they just can't sleep. Those when people pondering about something like what will happen, uh, problems regarding that. I do some. I am saying that this is sleeping is this thing, but I do some time like when I'm sleeping, I close my eyes for 5 minutes. Then I just wake up and start doing stuffs. Like I switch on the light and open my laptop and such. I can't perform anything. I will sleep after 10 minutes. But if I am thinking, I will do that thing. Like if any one of you guys face the same, like if you go to sleep, then you will sleep. Those are the things which ponder us. Like what I will do after 5 years, what I will do after 5 minutes. So
And
those
you
things.
just quickly and you just quickly wake up and do the
Yeah,
stuff. Yeah, what about
yeah.
I have to
You
do
just
Yeah.
this. I have to do this, get the stuffs done or to get
you
things done.
just get
Right.
worried yourself, and you have to calm yourself at the same time. I calm myself down. So jaya. Matlab, like you have to do that thing which is important at that time.
Right.
Yeah.
Like you just don't get carried away by your thoughts. If anyone you have
So
guys, and I saw that thing like sleeping pattern, like breathing pattern to relax your mind very much pretty fast. Like this is called 4-7-8 pattern. Like you have to inhale the air for 4 seconds, and then you have to store it for 7 seconds, and then you exhale it for 8 seconds. And yeah,
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
the thing you can
okay.
practice, like for relaxing your brain from being so much anxious and being from things like this affection.
Can you repeat it?
Right.
478.
Yeah, 4-7.
Okay.
4 seconds you have to inhale the air,
Air, yeah. So seven
then
seconds we have to hold it, and 8 seconds we have to release it.
yeah, from mouth.
Okay, we have to release it from mouth. The exhalation would be from mouth, right?
Yeah,
Okay, we have exceeded our limit, and it's
yeah,
just.
it doesn't matter, man, until unless the good stuff get uh, stopped.
Mhm.
Like
Right,
if
right.
you are, if you two guys are morning person, you can, you two guys can.
No, not mean we are a morning person. We can.
If you would
We can
like to
manage.
No,
wake
if
up
you
like.
can, like we can just stop here. No problem with that.
Sorry, we have spoken too much like me and Aditya. You two guys are the guests. Like you two can ask questions regarding things. And then
Yeah.
let's ask three questions, each of us.
Okay.
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 So
Okay.
yeah, three questions about anything, not about just things. Like whatever comes in your mind.
Hmm.
Let's
Okay.
Something like
answer.
rapid fire. Yeah.
Okay. One more. Answering should be only of 1 to 1 third. मतलब 1 to 2 minutes only,
Yeah,
not more than
that
that.
Yeah.
that will be
Okay, that
great.
will be
You have to
yeah.
precise your answer,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
will more improve us.
Yeah, who wants to answer first will decide by the questionnaire. Who questions decides who will answer the question.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And
So who's
everyone
going
will
to?
answer. Everyone will answer. Then who will answer first? Then that will be decided by the questionnaire.
Okay. So who's going to ask first?
Yeah, obviously everyone.
Anubhav. Yeah. Okay.
Let's. He's Adi of that Saman.
Yeah, Adi.
No
So do you
Adi,
want?
only Anubhav. Experience is the greatest teacher. Teacher will ask first question.
Who is going to question this?
Anubhav, would you like to
Uh,
start, or Adi will start, or Alok, or me?
Acha, okay, okay. I want to. I want to ask from Adi.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, how how can you complete the whole task which you decided yesterday?
Okay. Okay, I got the idea.
He has not asked
So
about your girlfriend, and he has not told you.
okay, so you are just asking like how productive we can, like, you know, like whatever we have decided yesterday
How you
that
maintain your productivity? He asked.
Yeah,
yeah, basically that.
that's right.
So actually, right now in this COVID part, I'm not thinking about much of the stuffs. I'm just letting myself go. If I can do this, like obviously there are certain things like which have deadline, fixed deadline. So I have to do. Akhil can relate and
Yeah.
Alok too. So yeah, something like that. Like you can consider it as something like your experiment that is given by your lab in charge. So you have to do it like by Sunday or by Monday, something like that. You have a fixed deadline, right? So I do. I mostly I do those things But right now, if you ask about the exact plannings that we have done, like past 6 months or something like that, before that, so I'm pretty much sure that yeah, I'm not completely doing those things. I'm just partially doing those things, and I'm enjoying more. Like I watch stuffs on YouTube. I mostly like Akhil knows that I have recently like watched roommates, permanent roommates, and things like that. So I'm right now what I'm doing is I'm just I'm preparing for things like I do coding. I'm into development, like development part also, competitive coding also, and the development part also. But apart from those, I'm not like more into studies or something like that. I'm just enjoying most of my part, because in this COVID, what I think is the most important is to be like stay positive, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Like
definitely. That's the
not to
most
get,
of
definitely.
the most
yeah,
important thing.
not to get mentally not to get mentally breakdown, something like that. Yeah.
Definitely.
We cannot like handle that.
Everything you just
Mm.
can't handle everything. I
Yeah,
would
we
like
just
to
can't.
answer
Mm.
the Adi's whole thing in just one. Like he is dynamically prioritizing things, and he is keeping a check on his mental and healthy routine. Like he is
Mhm.
not running here and there. Like he's
Mhm.
just staying calm and doing the things. Like if it doesn't happen today, then we can do it tomorrow, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't.
exactly.
He's not over pushing himself. He's just
Mm.
his cool fun zone, and he's just completing his stuff. That's the secret
Mm.
behind Adi's success,
That's
I must say.
that
Arey,
that's good.
not like
That's
that.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I think I have answered your question.
yeah,
I
you
think.
have answered it
Yeah.
very well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
10
over
on
to
10.
Akhil. Okay,
Yeah,
over to Akhil. Same question.
yeah. I just keep pushing my things in a to-do list, and and it just gets filled, man. Like I do things, I do complete things once in a week and twice in a week. There are days I do nothing. I just think of things, like I will thinking of things will do that things, and it never happens.
Inception.
Yeah,
Inception effect.
this happens to everyone, man. Is let's
Right,
just
right, right.
admit it. Like we are just thinking that we will do this, we will do this, and we just add more things in our to-do list. And those things are of none of these. Like we are just carried away by the things we see just in a YouTube or that link. I don't open LinkedIn personally. I hate that LinkedIn thing. I just hate that LinkedIn thing. Like it's pretty much filled with stuff that people don't do of their own.
I have
Also
yeah, I have an experience with the same thing that Akhil talked about. Like there was a post something like India, the recovery rate of India is 97%, something like that. That was a post from Instagram or Facebook, I don't remember. And the same post, the same photo, same heading, but the percentage was 99.9% in LinkedIn.
Yeah, and
So
also yeah,
is
and
not there in LinkedIn.
actually it's 81%.
yeah.
Huh,
I
yeah.
don't know
So
about the
yeah.
data actually, but
I don't know about the data, but somehow I got the thing that it's not authentic. Authentic.
yeah, yeah. And one more thing, like personally, it's my totally my feeling. It's not true for everyone.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
makes me very anxious. Like watching people who are very much succeeded, like people who are entrepreneurs, and I'm following too much guys like those who are in industry, and they are doing very great. And yeah, yeah, I'm not doing that thing. Yeah, you know that.
Right.
And people having resumes with everyone, pretty much everything they did, it makes me a little bit anxious, and I don't want to be there like that. I know that what I am doing someday it will be fruitful. Yeah, but that makes me feel anxious. I just start doing things which are not good for me. Like I do too much in the things like let's just take example of people who are doing things with visual basics. Let's just take example for it, and they have made such a wonderful project of. And I will see that, and I will get fascinated about that thing, and I will open a Google Chrome tab. I will read the whole thing about those things. It's just like wasting my time.
Right.
Like I'm
Right.
not doing my thing, like I am Akhil Singh, I will be someone else than anyone else. I don't open that thing for LinkedIn. I know there are so much opportunities, but I like that finding it from the company site, and those things that will be
Career side.
like
Hmm.
that will save my time. Like those things. And I don't find something like Anubhav does that thing for all of us. And like he's an
Yeah.
amazing guy. He does it. And Alok too doing that thing, like he finds internship, he sends internship. And like those are amazing things. And
they,
it varies
they,
for person to person. And what was the question? Like how I do my productivity? Like I am not productive at all. The first of thing. And
and that's a great life we have now.
yeah, this is the only one we have done. And I will be productive after this pakka. I find even numbers, and I find even numbers to start doing things. I postpone things to Mondays. I postpone things to the starting of a month, and those things I do. And I pretty much do something.
Procrastination.
Yeah,
Procrastination.
procrastination is my biggest enemy. And I do things by writing. I do finish some things for some days, and I will be very obliged for that. Everything will be fine after some days. You will do, Anvo, you are doing it great, man. Whatever you do, just stick with that. You will finish everything. Yes.
Okay, so over to Alok. Like the question was, how do you maintain your productivity, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are asking me that question in the same day that I'm literally lost
No
the
problem.
day
No
as I
problem.
have earlier today.
No problem. Just
I
think
said that
that today that
I will
didn't
add up
happen.
on these lost days, and it will
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
really boost you up. Like it will not boost you up to waste your days, but it will not make you regret about the days you have wasted.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
I have a tip here. Like whatever have passed off, right? Like
Hmm.
whatever has went off, and you don't have control over it, right? It has
Yeah,
just passed,
yeah.
right? So you can't do anything of that, and don't
Hmm.
think of that actually.
Yeah, it's very easy to say these words like that.
Okay.
So much
Uh,
hard to follow them.
No,
like not to regret on the past,
yeah,
just
not really
focus on the
But
present
yeah,
and plan for the
but I
future.
will show you one more greater thing
no,
than
no,
what you just said.
no, not exactly. Don't bother about your past, but just keep the list of things that you are doing.
But
But don't
Yeah,
don't let the past disturb you. That thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, just don't carried away by the events of the past, right? That's the thing. You
I
have
can
your list.
totally relate with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just basically don't just be related to that events, past events. That's
You
it.
know that faking sometimes leads to engraving those things in your personality. Like we often say that don't fake things. Like don't be who you are. But the first thing to change yourself is faking. Like if you will start faking your smile for 5 minutes, eventually you will laugh after at the beginning of 6 minutes. Like
Right.
don't yeah. Those are things which you like. Beliefs are those things which arises from yourself, and following those things will lead you to be a better person. Like and like how do you relate that faking thing? Like you often get your personality change when you meet people to people. Like you do fake yourself. Like you do fake yourself like a being a professional guy in front of professional guy, and you start behaving like that after 3 to 4 minutes. And that are different aspects of our personality that gets risen when meeting to people. So if you find difficult to feel confident, then start faking like a confident guy. And if you want to feel the person like a sad person, you want to write some poems, or you want to pity on yourself, then please think of a person who is pity and you have lost everything. Like everything is needs to be filled. Like you will not understand the amount of happiness if you don't be sad and things like. Yeah.
Okay,
So
Yeah,
right
yeah.
after
That's
right
that's
after
the
he completes, I think I have to mute him.
yo,
okay.
sorry, Sam.
Okay. That's what actually we are doing here. We are
Yeah,
just
Yeah.
faking it till
yeah,
we make it, making
yeah.
it.
Fake
Yeah.
it till you make it.
Fake
Like
it
hey,
till,
I
till you
Fake
make
it
it.
till you make it.
yeah.
Aspirants.
As
But
correct.
that's for interview, man. It's for our own purpose.
Actually, life.
Yeah.
We are just making it just for making our personality and making our communication skill till
Yeah.
the level we have just faking it in our own sense.
Yeah. Practicing
Yeah.
thing
Okay.
will lead you to
Okay, Akhil,
sorry,
just
sorry.
we can focus. Shall we focus on the
Sorry.
question?
Okay, again the
Yeah, yeah.
question was, how do you maintain your productivity, right? And
Yeah.
now
Sorry,
I'll
Alok,
meet
for
myself and Akhil also.
yeah, I will cue for you.
Okay, so about my productivity, I surely say I'm not that much productive. Uh, main my actually my problem is about finding the right things. Always get confused. What should I do? Like surely I'm struggling now these days about two to three stuffs that we all have actually three stuffs that we actually are doing,
Yeah.
like somewhat doing projects, somewhat doing some internships, somewhat doing study stuff. So we have two to three stuff. I have those two stuff that don't I have joined so that I can gain experience, but that is actually bothering me. You're like just something is just pulling you down. Just you can't do it, but you want to do it, but you can't do it. But you
You
don't
have
have
to
the
do it,
pathway.
right?
You have to do it, but you don't have the pathway to do that, complete that stuff. You don't have the guidance, but somewhat you have taken the responsibility, but you can't get the way. That is bothering me. And I know that's only my fault that I have accepted that responsibility, but I'm just making it making it till I can complete that, so that I can pass it on. And for in future, in my future, that I have learned the most important lesson. If you don't know anything, just say it. You don't know. Don't fake it. Don't fake it. If you are just overwhelming your skills now, just yeah, that lesson I have learned, that's good. I have learned this so early that don't fake it your skills. Don't even, if you don't know it, just tell who is in front of you asking for your skills. Just, I don't know that, and I know this much, and I can do this much.
Yeah.
If you are going to fake it, then it's going to be very much troubling for you. And if you are thinking you can do with the internet stuff, and the internet is providing you everything, the main loophole is all that it's providing everything, and you can't sort it out. You don't have that pathway to sort it out, what
Yeah.
to do in but big basket. You have to pick up that apple in that basket, but you don't recognize what's the color of that apple, what
Yeah.
that fruit,
Which apple from
which,
the
which
infinite pool?
yeah,
Yeah.
infinite basket, you don't know.
Yeah.
Because you don't have that recognition skills na. You have to identify that, you have to learn that skill, how to pick up the how to identify that orange one, or apple. Till that you can't till that you don't learn that skill, please, it's my own experience, don't do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that my productivity stuff. And or I should say that I have learned from this Akhil, that want to be productive, you should have your things, that what you want to do in your whole day, or what time you have decided, that should be in front of your eyes, that to-do list or something like that. That helps me a lot, because if I have to do something tomorrow, that I am planning today. I'm planning today that I have to do this much stuff. I have this small chits. That's one that I have also learned from this Akhil. And I used to like just I write it down what I want to do, and just paste it in my front, that board I have pasted
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
so that I know I can't do everything, but somewhat, if I can achieve one or two three tasks from that five to seven task list,
Yeah.
then I think I have done for the day. And that's what I what I say, a goal for a day, that I should do 3 to 4 tasks, complete that 3 to 4 tasks out of that list of 10 to 7 tasks. That's all my way, nothing more. Overall, I am a unproductive
So you
guy.
can't say you are unproductive. There are days
Yeah,
when you are super
obviously.
productive, man. Like those
Right.
are the things which comes up to me. Then when the days I am super productive, like those are the days when I finish my whole 2 to 3 days work in one day. Like those are the times. Then
Yeah,
you everyone faces that same time. But there are days when you just 2 days you are just sleep in your bed, like you first thing, if you want to do if you want to be productive in the life, the last month I've learned is just wake up and open your laptop. Yeah, don't brush up your teeth. You know, if you would go to brush up, if you wake up late, don't go for breakfast. Make yourself feel hunger. Like if you will wake up late and you will do the brushing thing, you will go to take bath, and you will go to take bath, you will eat, and when you
Yeah.
will eat, you will feel like "Arey yaar, 5 minute YouTube," and that 5 minutes YouTube will take your whole 5 hours. Then wake up, just open your laptop, try to do things if you will, and then you will be good to go. Like you will brush up, and then you will then your days will start from productive things, and you will do productive things.
That's
One
right
more point
approach. Yeah.
I just want to add.
Yeah, yeah,
This is about my routine, or I have learned some from somewhere, that I don't usually use my mobile and YouTube stuff. I don't open that till 9 a.m.
wow.
I Yeah,
Screen
that
time,
that
you don't screen on your morning.
yeah. That I think till how much day I have practiced this about last month. That
That's really
actually,
It's
great.
very good thing, like you don't watch screens when you wake up. Like
yeah,
That's really good.
about till
Actually,
I 4 to 5 hours after my wake up, I go to YouTube and my WhatsApp stuff. About 10 I have to use that.
yeah,
It's compulsion.
due to school study, college studies, and all that.
Yeah,
right.
but
Actually, it's a very good
It's a
practice.
very good thing. Yeah,
I
after
have,
wake up of waking up after 1 to 2 hour, I should suggest don't use the WhatsApp and YouTube stuff. If you are doing net stuff, just do that, but don't go for that. ठीक है 5 मिनट वाला अपन break ले लेते हैं. Don't, please don't do that. That you have said, that will take surely about 5 hours.
yeah,
yeah,
that will just completely ruin
yeah,
your day.
Ruin your day.
Right.
yeah.
And
And even a ruined
you
day
guys,
starts from tomorrow. A ruined day is needs to be ruined. Like if you ruin till 1 to 2 a.m., you will ruin your whole day. Like आज तो खत्म हो गया, अब कल चालू करेंगे.
okay, have you guys heard about that channel named Mr. Who's the Boss?
Yeah,
Arun.
yeah.
Yeah,
He's
it's a
my
great
boy.
yes. And I remember he says that he puts his phone into airplane mode before he sleeps, and after morning breakfast or something like that, just after the morning breakfast or some 1 or 2 after he woke up, after that he uses his phone or turn off the
Yeah, yeah,
airplane mode back.
yeah.
So
It's good.
that's a
And
really good practice.
yeah, and my laptop opening thing was not for guys who are waking up early. Like if we are talking about the screen opening time, and if I'm saying that open your laptop as soon as you wake up, like it's for people who wakes up like me, like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. That will help. Not waking up 5 a.m. will help. Like you will not पता ही नहीं चलेगा क्या करना है लैपटॉप में 5 मिनट में खोल के यार.
Even I don't practice that airplane mode stuff. The phone that Alok said, that's really like difficult for me.
Yeah.
Because what I find is like I'm definitely going to use WhatsApp for 5 minutes. That is very different. Like I don't have to do anything with WhatsApp after 5 minutes. And same thing with Instagram, YouTube, anything.
Like अपने
But
को तो मैसेज भी नहीं आता उतना कि 5 मिनट बाद कुछ
yeah,
बज भी
Oh,
जाए.
that's
you
it.
are violating the protocol.
Sorry.
It's no
I
problem.
just carried away by the thought.
Biswa Kalyan.
Just gone with emotions.
Yeah,
So,
Anubhav was quiet
Anubhav is very
for a
quiet
long
to
time. Like
yeah, he's very quiet
you are
he's
not
quiet
finding
for,
things. Like let's ask Anubhav questions. Yeah, like Anubhav is the asking guy. Like let's take our previous question. Like Adi, we have discussed in our first. Like how do you pursue learning a new language helps you? Anubhav, please don't answer in the context of Python and the snake stuffs. Please answer it in the Spanish, English, Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, and whatever
the
the
language
things
that
are.
you speak basically.
Yeah, it's
Uh, you
how
want
Speak or write.
languages, how
yeah.
you thought that languages have been developed and what those things.
I
Deep question.
actually, can you elaborate your question? I can't understand
Like
the domain
I
of
am like
question.
Have you learned
Okay,
any?
let's break it into parts and just go with the
Yeah,
smaller chunks, right?
Let me ask first question that have you tried learning some another language, like other than Hindi and English?
yeah. No,
What?
no, no, no. I don't. I don't.
Oh, okay,
I think you
okay.
are talking about the language which we are speaking, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
obviously.
the languages that
Uh,
you speak, right, or
That
like
how
listening.
languages
most of the
how
time
languages
I
affect people. I'm talking about that.
most of yeah, yeah. Most of the time I prefer to talk in English nowadays,
Okay,
That's
so
great.
good.
that I can improve my English also.
So we are
Uh,
glad that we are adding some values to your life
yeah,
also.
yeah, definitely, definitely. In evening when I'm free, I try to I try to listening English songs.
Yeah, you
One app,
listen. Whether it will be better
Podcasts.
if you will listen podcast than English
yeah,
songs.
yeah. Then I have an app like English Cake where I learned some languages, context, how they speak, the way of speaking, how they catch, how they actually speak the word, the way of speaking mostly.
Pronunciation, basically,
Yeah,
right?
way of speaking. Yeah,
Oh, it's good. Like
that thing I learned from them. Then try to speak also,
yeah, yeah. You could
and
read the subtitles on a English news
yeah,
channel or
and I started reading out news using Instart.
In
and
shorts, yeah.
I would like to suggest you one more tip I can give you for your English thing. Like if you watch every day at least one TED Talk video, at least one TED Talk video, and just don't watch it. Like watch it whole TED Talk video and write your ideas and hold the slip in your way in a diary or some copy.
Okay.
This will what these things will adds to you like it first of all you will remember the idea behind the tech talks for longer period of time, and another thing it will brush up your writing skills, and one more
Yeah.
thing like you would like to check in a grammarly man. Just don't write in your copy, don't write in your digitally, and you can save it. That will be much more better for you. But if you write it in copy, you will remember for longer period of time. And do
Yeah.
check it on Grammarly, correct the things, and reread it. And that thing will help
Yeah.
you better in a better way.
Yeah, that will
Yeah.
make sense. That will make more sense.
Yeah,
I
it will
like.
add
I
some more perspective to your mind.
Yeah.
I think Akhil C drive is going to crash today.
Let's hope not. Not.
I like the thing right before perform. I
Yeah,
want. Yeah.
that's great
That.
practice you do.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Right.
Alok is feeling sleepy, I guess. Like
Yeah. His
it's
Yeah.
one
face. That's why I'm smiling by seeing his face.
like
Mm,
it's 119. It's 119. We started at 11:30 or 12, I guess.
yeah. Just wrap it, right?
Yeah, le- yeah. Have you? Do you guys do often? Let's start with the answering of the question of the language thing. Let's. I start with Alok. Have you
Yeah,
tried learning some another language other than Hindi, Hindi and English?
okay. So other than Hindi and English, I've started Sanskrit last year. Nine.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
great.
okay, at nine. When I was in nine, I learned Sanskrit language and some sort of Urdu for
Okay,
that kavita portion and
that's
poem
great.
portion.
That's great.
And currently, just I've started. Just I've taken 2 to 3 lessons of German language.
Oh, that's nice.
Mhm.
I like that.
Yeah.
Hola.
Hola.
नहीं कि
No,
bonjour, bonjour,
that's
bonjour,
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 bonjour.
bonjour.
Not that hola. Hola is Spanish,
Yeah, hola is a Spaniard.
Yeah. And
and that
let's get to the question like how do you think that languages are the pillars of a personality or a culture, that how it affects a person learning a new language? What dimensions it adds up in your personality?
okay. So let me talk in the context of our Vedic culture. Okay.
Yeah.
So like I'll okay. If you are talking about languages, so one thing is sure, Sanskrit is the language of mother of the all
Mother
languages.
of, yeah.
Okay. Oh, so there was a time about in medieval period. I was just seeing some YouTube videos of you know that Devike Tisar of Dishti.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
This
IAS guy.
IAS. I
ISIS.
also
Okay.
followed.
Yeah, yeah. He's telling about this language stuff. I am just quoting his word, just how much I am remembering. So at that medieval time, there's when evaluation of all the languages is going on. Like Urdu is evolving,
Yeah,
German in Europe, German, all French, Italic. This language is evolving. So that time in India, Hindi is evolving. Like Hindi is also is not proper Hindi. Hindi is of several dimensions. If you cross around 100 kilometer in any region, you will find another tone of Hindi.
yeah, obviously.
Okay,
Right.
that's okay. In
Dialect basically.
dialects basically. So in India, it's prominent that if you uh, likewise you are moving from north to south, you are
Your video stopped.
somewhat evolution of Hindi. And the core Hindi the core Hindi that we can recognize is of all that that is used to be talked in that Lucknow language, Lucknow, or we can say Varanasi language. That's the Hindi belt.
Oh,
Hindi belt. If you have if you have, we can talk in a political sense that Bihar and UP is called to be a Hindi belt area.
yeah,
Yeah,
Okay.
Hindi Raj,
yeah.
that has been called. So there has been what we can say the evolution of main Hindi has been developed. So uh, in I was talking about medieval period. So there was a time when the language is what we can say that nowadays English is the can we can say the benchmark for intellectuals.
Yeah,
That's we are practicing it now.
yeah, yeah.
That that time Sanskrit was the benchmark for the intellectuals. So what we can say the priests, the Brahmins, those who are at the time the leaders, or we can say the most educated men of the society, they used to talk in Sanskrit. And the to when we move to the lower ends of the society, they used
Yeah,
to talk Awadhi and then
Hindi.
Maithili, and then the degradation of the language goes on, and that Akkad Hindi, you know,
yeah.
Akkad Hindi, that used to talk by the normal people, that common, that not that those who are not literate.
That khadi
So
type of Hindi.
yeah, khadi Hindi, that used to be yeah, what we can say talk or vocal by that people. So that's how a personality is built. Like if we are talking about any intellectual, okay, the intellectual is of high brainly power,
Yeah,
more of language, so they used to talk in Sanskrit. That's how Sanskrit has been built someone's personality more gracefully. If someone is talking in Hindi and Sanskrit sloks, or sorry, Sanskrit sloks, that that completely shows how graceful his or her knowledge is.
okay, okay.
So I think that's how. And if we talk about apart from Sanskrit, if we talk about Urdu, Urdu's are what we can say Arabi that has been evolved in Hindustan.
Yeah,
That's Urdu, and the amount of tehzeeb we can say it gives to someone's is immense. We can say immense.
yeah,
So about the evolution of what we can say language has been done when the whole medieval in medieval era, when Muslims come to a country, invaded us, and the same culture has been also invaded. The culture of Arabs has got to be in
yeah.
India,
Yes,
and
of course.
that is historical stuff that we don't go on that. Uh, but uh, that Urdu has been evolved at that sense only, and about 5 to 600 years it has been gone that Urdu has evolved, and the most prominent and the most graceful language we can say is the Sanskrit, and I think uh, Sanskrit can solve. Sanskrit is, I think, more one of the most beautiful language that you can vocally say about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. It's so much rich in its vocabulary and everything, in grammar and everything. It's well
Yeah, yeah,
structured. Then
well
it is
structured.
it's the best for computer science. Like I and Aditya are thinking like after the completing the BTech, we will go to a village in
Village.
like
Yeah.
in a
They
Tamil
taught
Nadu.
Sanskrit for 1 month for
In a
free.
Tamil Nadu, and we will
Okay,
learn that Sanskrit from there.
okay. I'll add up something. There is Survis Bharat. One organization is there. They has hired one village in Madhya Pradesh. I'll share the link. They have taught the whole villagers to talk in English to somewhat that we have read about it. Na? One village is there where every person talks in Sanskrit. Still there exists. So
Yeah,
that village has been hired by some that NGO. I some 4 to 5 days ago I've seen that video. I'll forward it.
uh,
So
Yeah,
there's
sure.
a there's a village in the Tamil Nadu where everyone speaks Sanskrit, and you
yeah,
can
yeah,
learn Sanskrit from there for free. And there is a school in Chhattisgarh which also taught Sanskrit language, and the whole village do speak Sanskrit. There are villages we don't know about that. Those are the Sanskrit villages. And one more thing I was remembering, and I just forgotten that what I would like to say. Like that the Sanskrit thing, we are doing the Sanskrit thing for actually reading and understanding the ancient texts. Like we are just skipping the route to find newer solutions rather than going to solutions which are already been mentioned, and want to know some previous
Basically,
stuff.
following Pravin Mohan.
Yeah, and one more thing, I have in mind in like that Sanskrit could be the future of that computers. We have often listened
Right.
that Sanskrit will be the best language for programming in computer language.
Mhm.
And so why we don't be pioneer on that? Why we
Mhm.
don't?
Yeah.
There will be many people who are thinking about the same, and we will just be little late. But there are Zomato and Swiggy, and both are earning. So why we can't earn on that?
I one more one I don't know. I have a connection in LinkedIn. One person is there. He is developing programming language, core programming language in Hindi. Kalam.io is
Kalam.
something.
Yeah.
I listened about that.
We
I
are
heard
saying,
about
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
yeah,
I've
yeah. He
saw that.
is developing the core, मतलब all the programming language stuff in Hindi. Okay. One more point I want to mention. This off the topic. Before topic, we are talking about that productivity and some
Yeah,
waking up. So one thing that I have noticed in myself, like I somewhat used to use that WhatsApp and YouTube stuff after 9 a.m. So the uh, earlier I don't used to do that. I'm waking up and just picking up my phone to see what text I have got and what call I have got. So the way it has changed my dopamine level, just
yeah.
after just 9 a.m. You are free from that quick
Khushiyan.
quick dopamine that mobile gives us. Please that do that dopamine, what we can say,
Detoxification.
detoxification,
Yeah.
till 9 a.m. So that detoxify my, I can say, much more relaxing, that dopamine. But that what we can say, I'm not structuring because my oxytocin level is now
Really, it's dopamine,
it's
and yeah,
alarming.
oxytocin is it's called love hormone. Like when we love someone, and we do, there is a science behind attraction, love, and just love at first sight. I was reading about that article that there are three: dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. Those three chemicals are highly responsible for love and that attraction thing. And then the first thing you releases after watching that is dopamine thing that gives you like happiness and doing some stuffs, and serotonin gives you bumps of happiness. Yeah. And then oxytocin releases when you feel deeply in love, like oxytocin releases when you are with your mother, and
Yeah.
those things, that conservative things, when you are with the people who you love, you talk, those are the times when oxytocin gets released. And I would not like to not like to name the glands which it releases that, otherwise the things will go little off it. But you will read that thing when, what are the conditions when oxytocin gets released, you will be like, maza aa raha hai, it's nice thing. Yeah?
Yeah.
So understanding your brain is like so much fascinating thing.
Very much.
Like I would like to do
Right.
stuffs with uh, experimenting things. Like when I was in class 9th or 10th, I thought like I would adopt one child, and I will teach him that this is night and there will be day, and this is moon, and I will say that matlab suraj, I will say him this is not sun, this is moon. I will teach him everything in a opposite manner, and I will send him after 5 years. Like he will not be mad. He will like, I want to see that how he perceive things, and how much DNA taught him. Who is winning, I or DNA? I'm not be able to explain my things properly,
I'm
but
getting you. I'm
I
getting
I
you.
think that
I'm
you
I'm
people
waiting.
will get.
This is the same thing I'm thinking of about my child. Like, what if I what if I taught him or her like exactly
I
opposite
I
things?
can't do that thing with my child. You know that.
That will be an experiment, right? But somehow some space.
Okay. There are pretty much things we can't do. Otherwise, we will be called mad scientists.
Yeah, mentals.
Yeah, mentals. And
Okay, so
definitely, I also thought of training a kid with ninja arts.
martial arts and jabs.
Martial
So,
arts.
so can we just wrap it
Yeah,
here
otherwise
because
it
it's
will be whole night
1:32.
discussing about such things, and we will not leaving any much traces for tomorrow. Like
Right.
how much you like the session, guys. That too, like have you wasted your lot of time and other stuff. Please feel free to ask us, tell us, and feedback regarding uh, timing, like time management things. Like we have started the timer thing to let us stop, but the timer is around the clock 4 to 5 times. And
Yeah, more than
definitely,
that.
I will to shut
More.
my mouth more. I would like to practice shutting my mouth more than speaking, I guess.
That's pretty nice that we have to what we can say, increase the timing every time.
Yeah,
So I what
yeah,
oxytocin is above my
yeah.
life.
He's just carried by his sleeping sleeps and those chemicals.
Sleeping chemicals. Sleeping
Yeah,
chemicals. Yeah,
his
right.
brain is taking over his personality.
No problem.
Yeah, Anubhav, please share your views. Like you too have shared many times, but it feels very much relaxing to listen that thing again and again.
Yeah, sure, Akhil. Uh, uh, I'm audible, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, audible.
And
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
I'm
okay,
I'm
fine.
stopping the regarding